Here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line Evo 1.5 litre TSI 150 PS DSG. Now, as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include adaptive cruise control with front assist, a dynamic road sign display, automatic LED headlights, and an electronic parking brake with autohold. It also comes with 20-inch Misano alloy wheels, as well as a spacious boot with space for a spare wheel. The interior includes 3-zone climate control, wireless app connect, and a Bluetooth phone integration system with USB. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.